What is up, guys? Alex from RCHQ here today. Today's video, short, sweet, simple. We got a package all the way in Pennsylvania from RCHQ, based out of San Antonio at Rolling Oaks Mall. Now what I'm gonna show you is what we got in. These guys went beyond their limits and did what they could to get me parts all the way here in Pennsylvania, because I'm probably 4 hours away, give or take 3.5, from the closest hobby shop that carries any PN, Geo, Atomic parts, anything like that, which is going to be Parkland Hobbies, which hopefully I'll be checking out this weekend. So stay tuned this weekend for that vlog. But let's check it out, see what RCHQ sent me all the way to Pennsylvania, and hopefully we can look at it and see what you guys think, review it, see the details on it. But let's check it out. Let's do it. And we are back here in Pennsylvania, of course, obviously. Here's the box. All I did was just kind of cut it open. I can't do it with a camera in my hand and all that good stuff. But let's check it out. Let's see what RCHQ sent me all the way from San Antonio. Let's see what goodies we got in here. Let's see. Oh, storage box. Storage box. I already know what this is for. Let's see what else we got in here. We got some KSM 138s mediums in the front. This is going to be awesome for this weekend once I go to Parkland Hobbies. Some 230s for the rears. Man, I've been needing these. I'm wanting these. I want to start using them again. So I'm excited to try these out as well. What else? Some more tires. All right. Let's see what we got. In here. Boom. What is this? The Mini ZV4 94 millimeter motor mount. Now this one, the MR3311B, is supposed to be 94 to 98. This is actually going on Jake Rawls' car that I'm building while I'm up here, so that's good to know. And oh yeah, this Dampener MR2060B. Now I know the other one's out of stock, but this one's in stock at Keenon Hobbies, so make sure you check it out. I'll put a link below. Make sure you check it out, Keenon Hobbies. Shout out PN Racing and Grant. Also Joseph from PN Racing, team driver. He's the one that let me know that this was still in stock, so thank you. And also this one right here. Shout out. And some more tires. Oh yeah, baby. And the Anima 3500. This is also going on Jake's car. So I did a video previously on Facebook about using this motor on a sensorless ESC, which is what I'm running on my super stock, and it works good. I think it works fine. So we're gonna be putting this on Jake's car as well, and seeing how it does. Let's see what else. And that's it. That's all we got in here. Shout out RCHQ for sending me this care package for my Mini Z and Jake's Mini Z that I'm building. Here shortly I'll show you the progress on Jake's car and what else I'll be using, so stay tuned for that. All right guys, and we are back once again. This is what I have currently for Jake's car. So off the rip, you guys already saw the MR2060B rear disc dampener. Gonna be using that. We also got the CP950 carbon fiber adapter for the GT01 body, the universal blue V2 aluminum mount, some blue lug nuts as well, and then down here we have our Kyosho 4th servo gear. Got that in there. The Derling gears, of course, MR3093. It's also going to go in there. Our Anima 3500. You guys already saw this. MR3311B 94 millimeter motor mount, also goes to 98. And then your center shock MR2161 from PN as well. Some Derling wheels, PN Racing wheel bearings, Evo Receiver. We got the AA arm front suspension MR3080B, and of course, can't forget PN rear diff. It's gonna be a simple setup as of right now. Then we'll dial it in with all the PN stuff, like the yellow spur gear and stuff like that. But this is how it's looking so far. Not the prettiest, not the best thing in the world, but it's better than some, I guess. I don't even know. I can't tell you, but kind of just got the board on there just to kind of test fit the wiring and stuff like that. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna go ahead and finish installing everything and hopefully later on in the video you guys can kind of see the front suspension, Derling gears in there, servo installed and all that good stuff. Now, there is one thing that I need to mention about using this, and it's gonna be the block that goes underneath for the T-plate. Now let me go get the T-plate that I am gonna use and the T-plate that normally comes, that you normally use, not the one that it comes with the 2.5 chassis. But I'll be right back. Let me go get that. Alrighty guys, and we got it back. Now normally what happens is that you're gonna go ahead and use this puppy right here. That's gonna be for your 98mm. Now since we are using the MR3311B motor mount, you're gonna have to use the LM block that goes underneath for your T-plate. That'll let you have a good alignment and be able to put all the screws that you need on there. Now, another thing you can do, shout out to Grant for letting me know, is that you can use the RM T-plate. Now, I haven't tried it. He did say it feels different, but I am half tempted to try it because both my vehicles have the same motor pod, the same disc dampener, and same suspension. Other than my stock has a V3. So we're gonna go ahead and install it and see how it looks on Jake's PN 2.5 vehicle. But that is one thing I wanted to let you guys know, is that you gotta use the LM compared to the regular 98mm. That's right there. So, catch you guys later. There's just a parts list, a video. I'll do another vlog on Jake's car when it's done, and I will do a review on all the components that we have here. So hope to catch you guys in a bit and hopefully get to race this weekend at Parkland Hobbies, or if not in Delaware, in Murdertown. So there's that. All right, guys. And before I forget, like, subscribe, comment, let me know how I'm doing. Vlog 2 for Mini Z. Hopefully vlog 3 this weekend, Delaware or Parkland Hobbies in Pennsylvania. Don't forget, subscribe, and like the videos. Share. Thank you guys. Appreciate y'all. Catch y'all later.